The SAFELEX device comes in 4 cable sizes and is available in both steel cable and nylon cable options. Electrical application. Closed doors to fuse boxes. For electrical application, use SAFELEX with nylon cable. Open the SAFELEX handle to maximum position. Thread nylon cable through each door handle. Thread cable back through SAFELEX to close loop. Pull cable to maximum tension. Close the SAFELEX handle. Secure with full nylon padlock and worker's protective tag. Mechanical application. Place valves in the closed position. For mechanical application, use SAFELEX with metal cable. Open the SAFELEX handle to maximum position. Pass metal cable through both valves. Thread cable back through SAFELEX to close loop. Pull cable to maximum tension. Close the SAFELEX handle. Secure with standard safety padlock and worker's protective tag.